Hello everyone, in this unit we're going to talk about the vocabulary, the measuring vocabulary. So the first one that I want to go over is measure. So what is to measure? So when we measure, we compare length. In this case, we are going to compare unit cubes. As we can see, there are 3 unit cubes, and that is the length of this marker. Sometimes we use a ruler, sometimes we use a measuring stick. In this case, we're using the unit cubes. Then I'm going to go back here to the longest. And when we have an object that is the longest, it means that the object takes the most units to measure. So in this case, the yellow worm is a lot longer than everybody else, so it is the longest. Then the shortest is the opposite. So the yellow worm is the longest, but the one that is the shortest is the red worm. Then we look at the longer. So we are comparing these two. We're trying to see which one is longer than the other. We are just comparing two. We will see that is the longer one. Shorter is the opposite. So if this is longer than the other, this one would be the shorter because it's smaller. The length, when we measure length, is the distance from one end to the other side. So we're comparing from the beginning to the end. What is the measurement? What is the length? What is the distance? So when you guys get to use a ruler, you're going to see where you need to start and where you need to end. The same thing happens when you're using measuring units. If you use unit cubes, if you use a measuring tape, or if you use a ruler, you will see that you have to start right where the object starts and then end where the object ends. I hope that was helpful.